In this workshop, we're going to expand on our project, our Welcome to New York City website. I'm going to create the video page in the page list. Now I'm going to do this by choosing the page list itself, and I'm going to select New. And what I'd like to do is to create this page, and we're going to name this page Video. I choose OK, and we've now listed the video page in the page list. Now you notice that there are no objects on the page. There's also no objects listed in the object list because we haven't created any yet. Everything is still on the home page. So as you select a page in the page list, it's only going to show the objects that are on that page. Now I could choose to recreate my objects by going to Insert, choose my rectangle, and create all of my buttons again. But what I'd like to do to make this a little bit easier is I'm going to go to my home page, and I'm going to simply select the objects that I'd like to take. Now I need the navigation bar, I need the home button, the video, and the contact. So I simply left-click the nav bar, I hold my control key down, and I select my additional objects that I'd like to take. You can now see that the objects are selected on the page. I simply go to the Home tab at the top, I choose Copy, and now I'm going to go to my video page, and I'm going to choose to paste those objects on the page. Now you see on my home page and my video page, I have the same navigation, and I only had to create those objects one time. Now I'm going to create another headline for our video page, so I'm going to choose Insert. I'm going to choose to create a headline, and I'm going to left-click and drag my box out, and this time I'm going to type Our Trip to the City. I'm going to go ahead and change the look and feel of this text again by left-clicking. I'm going to choose my Format tab, and here I'm going to create the same style that I chose before. I'm going to choose my A with the outline glow, and I'm going to go to my effects, and I'd like to choose that same effect that I had on the initial page. So now we show Our Trip to the City. What I'd also like to do is I'm going to place a video on the video page that's going to show some of the things that we saw when we were downtown in New York City. I'm going to choose the Insert tab from the top. I'm going to choose my Windows Media Player tool. This will allow me to insert a video right onto my Mediator page. I will left-click and drag out a box. I'm going to navigate into my computer where I have my video saved, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Open. Now our video is listed onto our video page, and you'll notice that the video object is shown up in the object list. Now you'll also see that our trip to the city is listed, but it's only called Headline, so let's go ahead again and rename that to Our Trip. Now we know that that headline text is called Our Trip in our object list. Now in order to test this video out to see if it works, it's a very simple step. We choose the Review tab from the top. I'm going to go ahead and choose to run the page itself. If I chose to run the document, it would start at the very first page in our page list. In this example, I just want to see the video page. So I choose Run Page. This will let me know how to get back into design mode. I simply hit Escape when I'm done previewing it to get back into design mode. I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. And our website will be displayed with the video player, our headline, and the buttons across the left. Now I hit Escape to get back into design mode. This concludes our workshop on inserting videos into our Mediator projects. Now stay tuned for our next workshop where we're going to create the contact page. It's going to show you how to insert a bit more text and also make a few hyperlinks and email links in order to make more interactivity into your website. Stay tuned.